Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another video inside of part 2 psychology. Today's video we're going to be talking about losses and market randomness. So before you ever look at a chart or place a trade, you need to understand that you are going to lose trades. You're not going to win every single trade. Okay, and a piece of advice that you're going to hear from, big time players in this industry, the big time traders and potentially your mentor one day is they're going to be telling you, you need to become numb to losses, right? Trade like a robot, be a robot on the charts, zero emotions, all that stuff, right? And I do think that's good advice, but another thing with that is you need to realize, look, losses are always going to impact your psychology, right? What you have to control is how much they impact you and your confidence. Okay, in trading, there are two types of losses. There are normal good losses, I call them good losses, and then there's also bad losses. So a normal good loss is when you did everything correct according to your system and your trading plan, but still lose the trade. Yes, this does happen, okay, and it's part of the game of trading. Bad losses are when you make a mistake in your trading plan and lose the trade. Either, you take the trade at a minor level, or you weren't patient enough for your entry, or you over leveraged, or you closed out too soon, too late, so on and so forth, right? You need to limit those types of losses to become profitable. Either way, whatever loss you take, there are lessons to be learned. In a normal good loss, you learn flaws that are in your trading strategy or your trading plan. Okay, in a bad loss, you learn flaws that are in your psychology. Either way, you need to be learning something no matter what type of loss you take. Okay, and you need to understand that losses are going to happen, so you need to have a plan for when it happens. One of the worst things you can do is going without a plan, because 9 times out of 10, if you don't have a plan for when losses hit, you're going to do this thing called revenge trading, and that's one of the worst things you can do. And it's a very quick way to blow your account. Revenge trading is when you lose a trade, so then you try to get right back in the markets to make up for that loss right now. I got to make it back right now, and you're just trying too hard. You're not in flow with the market, and this is how you compound mistakes. So you need to have a plan for when losses happen. Maybe sit on your hands and wait for the next opportunity or the next trade instead of trying to rush right back into the markets. Losses are going to happen, so your plan, sometimes your plan needs to be just get away from the market, for just a little bit. If you're in a losing streak, just get away from the charts, do something that gives you confidence or you enjoy doing. Whatever you do, man, just get away from the damn computer. Okay, and if you're in a bad losing streak, leave the markets for like a week, and the markets aren't going anywhere. You can always leave and come back to them, leave for a week, a whole trading week. Don't even look at a chart. And then when you come back, trade demo. Like literally have no money at risk, but just trade till you get that confidence back and you get out of that trading slump. Okay, losses are going to happen. This is part of the game in market randomness. Markets are completely random, right? The more you study markets, you're going to realize that yes, there are patterns that play out, similarly, but you must not confuse similarly to exactly. Okay, markets never play out exactly how they did the previous time. It just doesn't happen. Every market move is completely random, and you must accept that the market's randomness, and at any point, it can just flip on you and change. Okay, when the market flips on you and your pattern that always plays out, let's say, it does this, it's going to go down. What happens if it goes up, right? You're going to be completely stunned, and I know this because I did this shit. So I've been so stunned on losses. I'll go to Google and type in, what just happened to GJ or, whatever, you're trying to figure out, how or why things happened. And in reality, man, that's just trading. That is the name of the game. Shit happens, okay? There's just stuff that you can't plan for in this industry. You have no idea because markets are completely random, right? Trillions of dollars that are in this market, you're not going to move it with your $200,000 account, your $10,000 account, whatever trading account size you have. You're not going to move this market. The market's going to go where it wants to, and wherever it wants to go, I promise you, is completely random. With that being said, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.